So, Betsy Klinga, it looks like March took like 12 days or so. It's going to take 12 days or so to come in like the lion that it's supposed to.
It's lion lambish.
Yeah.
And so it's the Jekyll Hyde of spring, unfortunately. So we get to see all different sides of our forecast as far as this week goes. In the next 10 days, we have all of it coming our way. But as far as tomorrow goes, it should be pretty easy peasy for us. Partly cloudy skies in the morning, temps in the 20s. We've dealt with that. Variably cloudy skies with temperatures in the 30s in the afternoon. But once again, I think we're going to get to see some sunshine. Today, we got a beautiful shot of the lake from the MODIS satellite imagery just more than 22,000 miles away. Beautiful high-res photography here. You can see the clouds that we had this morning, the snow showers. Those were moving out. And by about 1:30, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we got this picture, which showed a very mostly ice-free Lake Erie. There's still some areas with some ice here as the slurry mix continues to float around. But this is an interesting picture because it means that the lake is back open. We don't have that ice cover. So all we need to do is add a little bit of cold air to this, and guess what happens? We end up with lake effect. We are going to have not only a little bit of lake effect, but we have a storm system that's coming in late week that will kick it off. So let's back up a little bit. Let's take it hour by hour, step by step. We have some clouds in play for the night tonight, but these are thin clouds, not really expecting much in the way of cloud cover at all. So mostly clear to partly cloudy skies. Showers, clouds from this morning's batch all moving off the east coast. So that will set us up tomorrow. We'll call it a mix of clouds and sunshine. Yeah, we'll have a few clouds around, but the rest of that National Designer hour by hour forecast gets us really close to 40 degrees. A little sun goes a long way still this time of the year. Winds should stay relatively light for us. Out to the west, though, we will be watching what's going on in the Plain States. All of this snow that's starting to set up in portions of Nebraska and Kansas. That is the beginnings of what will end up becoming the storm system that will move through here later Friday into Saturday. So there's a few things that have to still come together to get this thing really revved up. But the big push of cold air that's coming out of Canada, this is the driver for this storm system. That is very much on track. So a lot of times when these complicated forecasts start to come out, we try and take it one step at a time. Okay, the cold air is there, yes. Now we'll put some moisture in there. And it really looks like everything is going right on track with where we've thought it was going to be come this time by tomorrow and then Friday. So there's that batch of snow. It kind of moves into western sections of the Great Lakes along a cold front. That cold front, the leading edge of cold air, that will be just west of us by Thursday night. It's going to get held up just a little bit, but by Friday night, a rain mix with snow will quickly change over to snow, and we're anticipating that snow to come down at a pretty good clip Friday night into Saturday morning. And again, there's that cold air that's driving this whole thing. So then we have cold air that lingers into Saturday. That means some lake effect snow is going to be upon us. And even as we get into Sunday, then all of that begins to move out. So we will have improving conditions. How much snow? This is where it's kind of throwing at a dartboard because we have to really nail down the track of this storm system to get any kind of an accurate picture. But at this point, we're looking at probably 3 to 6 inches of snow, the heaviest snow out toward the state line area. Farther west, lighter amounts. Once again, 71 seems to be the dividing line for us. So the 3 things you need to know: the mix will change to snow quickly on Friday, and we have snow and wind for Saturday. Saturday morning, we could be dealing with some slick roads around the area if you have any plans to go out and about. But the track is going to pin down the amounts, and hopefully it's going to move faster. That's going to help to pull the amounts down, too. Here's your Union Home Mortgage forecast. Will be up around 40 tomorrow, 40s and falling on Friday as we change that rain to snow. Snow and wind Saturday. Don't forget the time change Saturday night. And then look what happens late next week. Oh yeah, luck of the Irish, my friends, looking our way with temperatures in the mid-60s. Let's hope luck stays on our side.